It's time for another Monoprice Mod Mondays on the BV3D channel. Have you ever gotten a spool of filament that's too big to fit on the stock spool holder? I did. Stick around, I'll show you what I did about it. I'm Brian, and you're watching BV3D. If it hasn't happened to you yet, it will. You're going to order a spool of filament, and when it arrives, you will discover that it is too large to fit on the stock spool holder. And when that day arrives, remember this. You've got a 3D printer, you can just print a new spool holder, like this one, from ToastedSilicon on Thingiverse. It's Thingiverse thing 1805457. Here's how it works. You take your stock spool holder, and you rotate that 180 degrees. You slide this right in there, and there's a little pin that you can put into place to keep that from sliding out. Now you can put your big spool of filament on here and get printing. Well, okay, let's head over to Thingiverse and download the file. Click the download all files link. And with that downloaded, we'll fire up our slicer. I'm going to use Cura. You can use whatever you like. Now that Cura is loaded up, we can drag our files in. And it placed them a little funny, so let's rearrange this a little bit. There we go. Let's move the little pin a little bit forward, and then we can slide the main part of that towards center. That looks good. We'll go ahead and slice that. And now that it's sliced, we can save the file. I'm just going to call it spoolholder.gcode. Now that we've got that sliced, let's go throw it over into Octoprint. And then once it's uploaded, we'll select it and we'll start the print. So that's one of the cool things about having a 3D printer. Even if you feel it's got some shortcomings, you can always print a modification or design one and print it to fix what you think is wrong. Like the spool holder issue that we ran into. You know, this is actually a really clever solution, just rotating that around. It's leveraging something that already exists on the printer and just a slight modification to it. I really kind of like the way that works. And you can even hang a big old Prusa spool off of that and be able to print. So now we're at the end of the video, and this is where I say things like, subscribe, and share, because those simple actions really do help the channel. I've got links to the spool holder modification down in the description. There are channel support links down there as well. If you liked the episode, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. But either way, leave a comment and let me know what you liked or didn't like, and let me know if the content that I'm producing is what you want to see. If you haven't already, please subscribe by clicking the BV3D icon right over here. Over here is a video that YouTube thinks you might enjoy. Now I'm going to go print something cool with my new big spool of filament. You go print something cool too. See you next time.